Hey, and I call you, I need you, my heart's on fire. Will you come to me wild and wilder? Will you come to me, give me everything I need? Welcome, it's Barry here with song number 34, and this is an amazing song and a tribute to an amazing woman of this world, Tina Turner. You're simply the best. So I always say I do my best to simplify this for you so that any level of ukulele player can actually jump in and play this cool little song. And so for you guys, what's really important is there's three things you need to be looking at. Number one, what are the chords for the song? Number two, what is the song structure? Number three, what can I strum to actually make this song sound a little bit better and more interesting? So let's dive right into it. Number one, we have that G chord, and all I want you guys to do is look right there. I've got the G, finger number 1 on string 3, fret 2, finger number 2 on string 1, fret 2, and finger number 3 on string 2, fret number 3. That's your G. And then from there you could do the E minor, which is finger 1 on string 2, fret 2, string 1, finger 2 on string 2, fret 3, and finger 3 on string 4, fret 4. Or you could just go from the G to an E minor 7. Call that like our little cheat E minor. You can do that, and it's easy to just go from call you, I need you, my heart, you come to me, give me everything I need. Then we just go to that C. Those are the chords you will need for this song. Nice and easy, just 3 little chords. Number 2, song structure. We have quite a lot of G's. I think it's about 4 G's before we change to an E minor. But the most important for you is to know that I've added the chords and I link them to a word. So I call you, I need you, my heart's on fire. And then when you come to me, give me everything I need. So that lyric is connected to the chord. That's when you change, okay? Because otherwise I'd write like 8 different G bars and then that will be even more overwhelming. And then so for the song structure, it's a straight 4/4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is the beat, and then nothing out of the ordinary. It's just long bars of the same chord going around. Now number 3, this song, what can you strum? So strumming, what can you strum? Now I advise you to start off with just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now that's the basic kind of just getting into it. Now if you're more advanced, you're going to try this. We're going to do something called I have no idea what it's called, but it's measured in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And so if you listen to the song, I think there's keys where they go, I 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Bam, 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 bam. So you got bam, 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 and that's called 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. And that sounds way more like this song. So try this count and go slow, and I'll tap. I'm still going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I call you, I need you, my heart's on fire. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Come. If that makes sense. Pause the video and practice that so that it's so well drilled in, so I can wake you up in the morning, chuck water on your face, and you go, do me 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then you just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And as you can see, I do downstrokes only. Big, small, small, big, small, small. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And that's just an 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, that's enough said for the strumming pattern. Let's dive right into the verse. Verse number 1. We've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and I go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. You come to me wild and wild. And 3, when you come to me, 2 and 3, give me all that I need. And then you ring it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now you come to me wild and wired. When you come to E minor, give me everything I see. 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and ring it. Give me a lifetime and 3 and 4 and... Now, you can change between this. There's a long enough space. So let's go through from the top and try and sing this as well. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I call you, I need you, and my heart's on fire. 2 and 3 and 4. You come to me wild and wired. 2 and 3, when you come to me, 2 and 3, give me everything I see. And 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and... Give me a 1 and 2 and promises of a world of dreams. Speak your language of love, yeah, you know what it means. It means you can't be wrong. 2 E minor. Take my heart and make it stronger. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and... Or just down. 1 and 2 and simply the best. Going over to the chorus. We're going to do this one more. But for the sake of the more advanced guys, I want you to go just... Are we muting? You remember we spoke about that muting, so try your palm right there on the bridge. Palm on the bridge and just go. Rock and roll. Remember we said we got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Call to me, wanting wilder. When you come to me, or that E minor, it's everything I need. 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and... You give me a lifetime. Okay, let's go. Well, that's as, I guess, as basic that gets. We're going to jump over now to the chorus. Let's do that. And so let's do that. Chorus. And we're going to jump and we're going to go, yes, simply the bridge. Bridge and chorus. That's the one we're looking for. Bridge and chorus. We're going to move that open so you can see that. You're simply the best, better than everyone. Amen. So we've got that going from the C. And 1 and 2 and simply the best. We've got that. The D. 1 and 2 and simply the best. You better than anyone. Anyone I'll ever met. Now we've got that D7. So 4, let's look at this for the D7 quickly. Just the D7. We've got bar those fingers and I just add my second finger there. Bar that and just play nice and easy for the D7. Okay, let's keep going. So you're simply the 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1. You better than anyone. Anyone I'll ever meet. That's it. Simply the best, better than anyone. Better than I've ever met. Chorus, so let's try that. And 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2, and simply the 1 and 2. You're simply the best. You're better than anyone I'll ever meet. I'm stuck on your heart. I hang on every word you say. Well, you tear us apart. Baby, I would rather be dead. Well, rather is that D7, rather be dead. And then we go to the bridge. It's time I lose you, you start losing control. You're walking away with my heart and my soul. I can't feel you even when I'm alone. That D, baby, don't let go. We're going to that E. Now if you play the D with fingers 2 and 3, then we can just shift it along for that E and then do that. Baby, don't let go. You're simply the best. Better than all the rest. So let's try that. So play along for the chorus and the bridge. Let's go. Chorus and the bridge. 1, 2, 3. And you sim. So we go 1 and 2 and sim. 1 and 2. You're simply the 1 and 2. You're simply the best. Better than all the rest. Better than E minor. Anyone I'll ever meet. You're stuck on your G. I hang on every word you say. Well, you tear us apart. Well, baby, I would D7. Going over to the bridge on a C. Each time I lose you, you stop losing control. So walking away with my heart and my soul. I can't feel you even when I'm alone. Baby, don't let go. Up there. Well, you're simply the best. You're better than all the rest. Well, now that's kind of a shaky, dodgy ending there from Barry, but I hope you guys find value in this little video, and please download this song below. Take these little sections, play them along all together, and have fun learning a very cool song. Now, if you enjoyed it, please download the song down below so that you can play along whilst watching the chords. And then if you like what I do here, please do not accept your token of appreciation for what I do here. Download and down at the bottom here, you could buy me a beer, and so you could see me more often here. Have a lovely rest of your day, and I hope you song number 34, Simply the Best by Tina Turner, you have fun with it. Take it out. Bye.